welcome back everyone. Well, I'm underneath old Blue here, my 1987 F150 4x4, and I never did change this fuel filter since I've had it. Normally it's mounted on with a factory bracket, but someone's changed it before, whatever, hose clamp on it. Anyway, it's got held on two fuel lines that go to this, held on with little plastic clips that you're supposed to just push on this way, and it expands the little ears on them, and you're supposed to be able to take them off like that. They don't recommend using tools, of course. And of course now I got that one. Anyway, got another one back here. This one in the back was never really put on properly. I don't know if you can see that, but it's cattywampus, and whoever did it didn't get it on there properly. So anyway, that one's off. These hoses supposedly just pull off that way. I'm probably gonna have to twist them and turn them, and same with this one back here coming from the fuel pump. But I'm changing this filter out, hope to build up some more pressure and smooth that idle out on the engine. So I'm gonna go get a rag or two so this doesn't get all over me, and I'll be right back. Really not a lot of working room down here. Okay. We're gonna let that run out down the line here. There's probably not that much in there. Cut the fingers out of a glove, and I'm going to put it over that little piece right here, and then go on to the back. Now the front one came off fairly easily. Let's see how the back one does. Just twist it a little bit and it pulls right off. Oh yeah, no problem. A little fuel coming out of the filter itself. The reason you don't want to use tools is you don't want to spark. Okay, I'm going to put a piece of nitrile glove over the end of this connection here. As soon as that slows down some, leaking right there. Not leaking, it's just running out. We'll put that back up in the air here, and that'll stop that. If you have gloves, I suggest wearing them because gasoline's starting to burn my hands now. Okay, I'm going to loosen the clamp around the filter and take it out. Well, here's the filter. There's the inside, well marked. And that still has gas coming out of it. My goodness. Both ways. Anyway. Okay, here's my new filter. It came with nice little protective pieces on the end, and I have some brand new clips on both sides. And here's the old filter. Fuel flow is this way, and the new filter fuel flow is this way. Okay, old, new. Now I'm going to blow through this one, and then I'm going to try and blow through this one. Good way to check your fuel filter, see if it's clogged up. I've attached a drinking straw to the inlet side. And I'm able to blow through this either way with the straw attached to this end or this end. It blows both ways. Just an ordinary drinking straw. Plastic is a good one. Now with the other filter, attach it to the end and blowing through it. I'll be honest with you, I cannot even blow through this. This is so plugged up that I can't blow through it at all. So there's a good way to check a filter with a drinking straw. It's time to install the new filter in the same position that the old one was in. Make sure I get the fuel flow right. I'm sure I have it right. Yeah. The filter says to change about every 12,000 miles. So I have to remember that. Alright, that clamp hopefully will hold, and what I need to do next is position this fuel line, just in case it has some fuel left in it. Put a few rags under here. Take my nitro glove piece off. Yeah, there was a little left in there. And I want to take this little cover piece off and see if I can push this back on there. And see if I can put my clip back on there. And it should just, I'm thinking, snap in there like that. Okay. So I'm going to say that that side is in. I'm going to go around to the back side now and do the same thing. Okay. The glove is off the fuel line. Need to remove the plastic covering off the end. And slide this over. To that. And I'm going to just push it on there as hard as I can there. Make sure it's solid, and it is. Get the rags out of the way. Got a piece of my rubber glove stuck up in there when I tightened it down, so. Alright, let's see if I can get that clip in there with both hands in the way. Trying to push it through. There we go. I had to move it just a little bit and turn this just a little, and she snapped on there. Now I need to go up and give it a try, see if we get any pressure. I can see my fuel pump down there. If I have any leaks, I'll be able to see that. Shut her down real quick. And I have my fuel pressure gauge hooked up to the back here. Little Schrader valve in the back behind that wire loom. So I'm just going to cycle the fuel pump a few times and see what kind of pressure builds up. And so the fuel filter's in, there's no leaks, and I want to thank you all for watching and subscribing as usual. If this video helped you in any way, give it a thumbs up. And until the next video, this is Cars, Trucks, and Detours, Steve AZ 711, saying hope all your repairs go well.